guys, welcome back to my channel. Win's Life here. Our video for today is appetizer. Actually, you can use it as a side dish, appetizer, or even a snack. And we only have three main ingredients, which is potato, carrots, and red onions. And I cut it julienne style. And guys, I did that manually cutting it manually because I ordered this from Shein. It's supposed to be like to use it for julienne style device, and it broke. I don't know if it is broken or it just came off that I can put it back, but it's kind of sharp, so I don't want to try. So that's the reason why I cut it manually, because I don't want to use my food processor. It's hidden somewhere up there and I'm lazy to look for it, so I'll rather cut it. At least I can control how short and how long I wanted it. So, but anyway, the ingredients are those: the potato, the carrots, and the red onion. And then I have a mixture of cornstarch and flour, and then water, and I'm going to season it with chicken powder, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and then I have the oil already heating over there. And for our dip, I'm going to use sour cream and cream cheese for our dip. So let's go to the next step. So we're just going to put all of it here on our bowl. And of course, guys, the best tool is your hand. So we're going to season it first. Just a little bit of onion powder because we already have sliced onion there. Pepper, a little bit of salt, then we're going to mix it using just our hand. Bare clean hands. So I want to mix it first so all the seasoning will be distributing to all of the carrots, potatoes, and onions. Then we're going to put water. Little by little. Then we're going to pour some of the flour and cornstarch mixture. I don't want to put eggs, guys, because the egg is gonna make the mixture heavy, not gonna be light and crispy. I think our flour mixture is not enough. I'm gonna add a little bit more of just the cornstarch, because the cornstarch will make it a lot crispier. There, now I like it like this. So now it is time to fry it. So make sure, guys, your oil is not very, very hot, so it will cook the middle part. Make sure it is thin. Going to flip this one now. It smells so good. Just a little bit more and it is done. So guys, while we are waiting for our fritters to cool down a little bit, I'm going to make our dip. This one is the cream cheese. Cream cheese and sour cream dip. And I'm also gonna try to use the sweet chili sauce. So just make sure the cream cheese is room temperature when you start this, so it's soft. And then I'm going to put some sour cream. Little bit of salt. Pepper, garlic powder, if you have chives is better, but I do not have chives. And that's it, guys. Gonna get my sweet chili sauce, and here it is, guys. An appetizer, a side dish, or a snack. Let me see. Really crunchy. Guys, here it is. Look at that. Very, very simple, but I can tell it will be delicious. Again, guys, you can use this for side dish or snack or appetizer. So right now for me it will be a snack because it is only 4 o'clock. So let us try some. It's really crunchy. It's really crunchy outside the edge, and then it's soft inside, which is I like. And we're going to try the cream cheese and sour cream dip first. So guys, cream cheese, sour cream, and potato, they go well together. Try. Nice. Did you hear how crunchy it is? And I'm actually far from my camera. Did you hear that crunch? This cream cheese mixture is so good. Oh my. This is a really good side dish too, guys. Wow. That's good. So let's try the sweet chili sauce. But I really like the cream cheese and sour cream though. Let's just try which one is better. That one is really good too. I can probably eat all these 6 pieces, guys. I think this is gonna be my dinner. That's it. We're gonna be meatless dinner tonight. Can you imagine, guys, how simple is that? Only potato, carrots, and onions. So it reminds me of okoy, guys. Okoy. Okoy is, what's okoy in English? Vegetable fritters, I guess. Because in the Philippines, the okoy, you can use it. You can use green papaya or squash. I do not like squash. Or what's the other one? Bean sprouts. So anyway, guys, I think I'm going to eat all of this for dinner. So we don't have meat for tonight. For tonight's dinner. So, but anyway, guys, try this. So simple. And because your kids, if they don't like vegetables, well, the only vegetable here is actually carrots. When you consider, well, you can consider vegetable, potato and onion vegetable, but you can probably add something else like another different kind of vegetable, like again that one, the sweet potato. So, or squash if your children like squash. So you can hide the vegetable and they're not gonna know because it's so good. So, but anyway, guys, I am going to eat all 6 pieces. So, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again on our next video. Bye for now. Mwah.